Hello! Welcome to another episode of November 1 video thingy. There's Nang A eating, Auntie Inday, Uncle Jules, ni Randy, Tito Rudy, Mommy, Daddy, and Ranel entering the house. And the guy, I have that word. Coffee?
All for me?
Yeah. Again, what the heck do you call this thing? Casket? No. Marble thing, mausoleum stuff. The end. For now. To be continued in chapter 2.